Good evening, friends. My name is Irenius, Senior Solar Energy Consultant at ONPOINT Solar. Today, we are in Budiriro, where we have just installed a 3 kVA solar system. This is our 3 kVA solar system. So, we have got the components that are powering our system. We have got a 3 kVA hybrid inverter. We have got our protection kit. The purpose of this protection kit is to protect our solar system. Within the protection kit, we have got some breakers which serve a lot of purposes when they are protecting the whole system. We also have got a lithium battery, which is a 24 volt 100 Ah battery. So as you can see, our solar system is working very much well. You might be interested to know what this solar system powers. This solar system powers a single fridge. It also powers all the entertainment in the house. It also powers all the lights in the house. As you can see, it also powers all the phone charging in the house. So, are you looking for a solar system? Whether you are a business or an individual, come to ONPOINT Solar. ONPOINT Solar, clean energy every day. Thank you.